Hey guys, the weekend is approaching and I know we're gonna be having some drinks. I wanna share with you one of my favorite ones that'll make you wanna sail away. So today I'm gonna be making a drink that I had when I was in the Bahamas on a cruise. It was one of me and my boyfriend's favorite drinks. It's called a Pierre, but we kind of call it Paradise because that's what we remember about this drink. So let's get right into it. What you're gonna need, you can find these little mixers, these drink mixers. I love these. You can find these on Amazon. I'm pretty sure that's where we got it. And let's go digging into the ice. So get that ice in there. You're gonna need some kind of cognac. It doesn't matter what you choose, but let's start, before I go into the cognac, because I'm so ready to get the drink on. Let's start with lemon juice. So I get fresh lemon juice from my local Mariano's, or actually you can use lemon juice. This is actually lime juice. So I'm gonna pour of the big one some lime juice in there. And lime juice adds like a really nice touch to it. It's actually really refreshing when you add this lime juice, and you'll be able to definitely taste it. I'm also adding some raspberry syrup. You can find this at any liquor store. They have different flavors. We have raspberry here, strawberry, but this is gonna add a little bit of sweetness, actually a lot of it. So you wanna be careful of how much you add. Then I'm gonna go ahead and, ooh, look at that. Alcohol overboard. I love when I make a mistake like that. That's a lot of cognac. But you want two, I was trying to be fancy, like, you know, some of the bartenders, but you want two of the big side of cognac because we're making two drinks, right? And then the last thing that you need is, you hear that fizz? That's the tonic water. So you're gonna take 3, that's 1, that's 2, come on, 1 more. That is 3. I could smell that cognac too. You can use any kind of cognac. In the past, I've used cognac. I've actually used 2, a lighter liqueur. And then this is my favorite part right here, okay? Hopefully I don't make a mess, but let's give it a try. Shake it, baby. It's like a little dance that you do. So you want to shake it with that ice. And boom. That's your easy mix-up. And this is where the beautification happens. Look at this. Pour it in your glass. And people are gonna enjoy this. Trust me when I tell you, this will hit home too and make you feel like you wanna sail away and be on the beach in the Bahamas, you know, just having fun. This is a very simple drink that you can serve with or to your family, and it's only a few ingredients. So I'm gonna give it a try. Cheers, guys. I love this drink. I love it. You can't even really taste the cognac. I taste more of the raspberry syrup and the lime juice hitting me in the gut, making me feel like I'm sailing away. So when I tell you, you have to try this, you have to try this. This is called our version of the Pierre. We call it Paradise. So give it a little try and sail away. Thanks for watching. And don't forget, subscribe, like, and comment below. Let me know if you tried this drink and tag me if you do. All right, thanks for watching, guys. Bye.